Ho, 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 ho. All right. Tank is officially a stormtrooper now. No, he's got this new machine, man. This is amazing. It's clean. Look how clean it is. Look how clean. Blue, blue, blue. Yeah, that's cool. Got the little shorty Acura. Blue calipers even. Yeah, this thing is nice for sure. Welcome to leader bike status. He said it's real fast. Real fast, real fast. Might be faster than mine. It wouldn't surprise me. A tuned S1K is real fast. It's a 24. He says I gotta ride it. I gotta ride it. Slowpoke tank, always taking his time. Look at him. Just look. He's not even zipped up yet or anything. What's that? Well, this is the second ride since I changed the oil. Bike feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. I hope it stays that way. You never know. Anything could go to shit in a second. I appreciate the water that they have here at the front. You know, if you go like really slow through it, it'll still get you freaking dirty. Oh yeah. She is very thin. Very thin. Because she does her walks. Listen to that thing idling. You can hear the air like blowing past that little grill on the exhaust. Oh, it sounds so mean. Sounds so mean. We just had a few raindrops. It was supposed to rain like around lunchtime, and we are quickly approaching lunchtime. But we figured we'd come out, get a ride in. We'll probably end up getting wet. It wouldn't surprise me at all. So I wonder if this bike is going to need some suspension adjustments. It probably will, if I was to guess. He needs gas. Oh shit! Just big raindrop right in front of my face. Hey, we'll just go around the 610 loop. We'll just take another ride around the loop. Moon crater bumps here. Yep, we got to get out of this rain cloud right here. Yeah, we may switch bikes today. I don't know. He said he wants me to ride it. So I guess I'd let him ride this one. This bike does have some quirks to it though. It does have quirks. It's going to feel choppy and blocky compared to that bike, and it's going to vibrate more than that bike. And I only have a front brake. I don't even have a rear brake. Rear brake is non-existent on this thing. And it's always been that way since not long after the day I got it. Like within 2 months after the day I got it, the brake just quit working. And 99% of the time that I've been on this bike, it's been a non-existent part on the bike. A non-functioning part, I should say. It's just adding weight, basically. The rear rotor, the rear caliper, and the rear brake master cylinder, all that's just adding weight to the bike because it's never worked. I'll bleed it out, and then it will work for about 3 weeks, and then it fades back down again. Yeah, this is one of the biggest traffic areas in the world. It's not that bad right now, but we're just now starting to get into the lunch rush hour, and all these people in these buildings leave those buildings. They go whoosh down to the ground, and then out onto the roads. And this area is filled with restaurants and all kinds of stuff. Yes, if you're not going to pass, get out of the way. Thank you very much. There he is. Need to get him up next to me. I smell weed. There's weed. I let him know. You can smell it. You can smell it. I'm trying to lane split less, you guys. See this screaming demon. That guy smoking that weed was trying to go around us. Thought we were just like taking it easy, I guess, which we are, but compared to a car, like look at this guy, you know, work truck, just in the left lane. I mean, it's his right, I guess, to be in the left lane, but you're supposed to be moving a little bit faster. Oh man, she should take that thing off so she can see better when she's driving. She's trying to be a performance driver, you know. I guess they just don't know, you know what I mean? They just don't know. They don't know that they're not performance drivers. Video you guys watched was the 610 loop, just cruising around by myself. Oh, he wants some, huh? rain up there? Oh, yep. Well, there it is. That stupid rain cloud right there. Put rain on us. Doesn't feel too bad, actually. Doesn't feel too bad. Just a little bit right here. Just enough to kind of cool you off. Oh, there's more happening. Watch out for those fucking racks, man. Those fucking things. Dude. Your blinkers on. It's still raining. There we go. Now we're good. Big old trucks in the frickin' left lane. Coming up, so I don't want to hit it too hard if there's going to be water on the road. A little raindrop. Rain was in the forecast, so we knew it was going to rain. Alright, I'll just clean the bike again. Not that big of a deal. I mean, I've done it 1,000 times. Is that a fire over there? Ooh, there's a fire. Man, I saw a big fire like last week here in Houston, not even far from my house. Now another one. This thing's putting out a lot of smoke. Well, they stopped spraying stuff into the atmosphere for the past couple of weeks, and now it looks like they're back doing it again. There's a popo right up there. Yo. Here they come. And there's probably going to be lots of nails and stuff all over the ground too. It wouldn't even surprise me if I got a flat. Popo.